Guys, it's your boy Elijah JFX of Flyer JFX Design Academy. I welcome you all to today's brand new episode of Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to how to create a new project, a new document for your next project. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the business. Before we start, please I'll urge you and persuade you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that next time we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified that we have uploaded a new video. Okay, in creating a new project in a new document in the Photoshop, there are two ways you can do that. You can use your shortcut by pressing Ctrl N, or come to this place and just click on new. That is, go to your file, click on file and click on new, and brings you to this dialog box. Then from here you can customize the size of your design. For example, you use a tape rule to measure the height of your design and the width of your design. For example, when you use a tape rule, it might be in inches, or if it's, but Photoshop doesn't have feet, so we're going to use inches. So for example, if you measure your design with tape rule and the width is 10 inches, then you write your 10 inches here, and the height is is 3. Let's just say it's 3, and you write it there. Okay, now the next thing is go to your resolution. This resolution, it depends on the design you want to make. Maybe you want to design this flyer for social media platform, then you don't need to bother about this resolution. You just leave it the way it is. You might make it any size, any pixel per inch you want, doesn't matter. But when it comes to you printing this document, then you have to make it 300, at least 300 or more. Right, now let's go to color mode. Your color mode also, when you have this RGB color, that means you are designing for a social media platform. But when it's for printing, then you make it a CMYK color. That is, when you are designing for printing purpose, then you make it CMYK. But when you are designing for uploads, maybe to your social media, to your Facebook, to your Twitter, to your YouTube channel, then you make it RGB color. Now let's go to this place. Here we have the recent. This recent has to do with the design you make recently. That is the size of your design you made recently. This is where you find them. Then this saved is where you save your presets, that you don't have to come back, and you don't have to keep coming to this place to write your width and height. You just save it here. For example, now I make this 2000 by 2500 300 design. Then if I want to save it, I'll come to this place and click on save. I'll write the name of my document preset. For example, say right. Okay, now you click on save and you see it's there. You see, it's 2000 and 2500 by 300. So this thing I've done now, anytime I want to design again, I don't need to come back again to this place again to start writing all these things. I just need to come here and click on this, it then brings me to my document directly. All right. One thing before I come back to here, I forgot to talk about here. This color profile, you just leave it the way it is and leave this one the way it is. All right, now this is for photos. If you are a photographer, this is for you. For print, if you are going to print, these are different type of sizes for printing. We have the A4 legal, A3, A5 and so forth. And this is for art and illustration. When you want to just make an art, you want to draw something like that. This is for web, maybe this is maybe for designing of web flyers, web posters, and YouTube banners, for Facebook cover page and so forth, and sliders for your website. This is where you come to. These are different type of sizes for it. There are default sizes there. Now for mobile, this mobile is mainly for UI UX. When you want to design a UX UI user interface for a mobile phone, this is where you come to. And this is film and video. Film and video, this is for animations. When you want to make animation for design, when you want your design to move, you want it to slide, you want it to be more interactive, then you use this film and video. These are different type of sizes. We have one 1920 1080. We have this, we have this, then you see we have the 4K as, and to this you can see. All right, now we are done with that. Now I'm going to show you how to create this document after you've made your, you finally made your sizes, you've confirmed your width and your sizes if it's correct. Then you come to this place and you create new document. You see, I have created new document. So and just come here and just write something down. Just write something down, like let me write I am a boy. See that? And I am a boy. So now you can just, so to save this document, now you can come to this file again and click on save, or press Ctrl S. Press Ctrl S. Then it brings you to this dialog and this folder, and you can look for the folder you want to save your document. Then you write the name of the document here, then you save. So that's just it. So guys, if you followed me to this stage step by step, congratulations, you have just created your first ever Photoshop new document. So guys, congratulations. So please, I want to urge you once again to please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload another videos. Thank you, God bless, peace be with you.